guys, welcome back to my channel. We are doing a closet clean out. I'm excited because I have always wanted to do a video like this and we finally get to do that today. Hopefully my face is in frame. I have my camera positioned, but yeah, we've already kind of done all of the cupboards and stuff and just sort of sorted everything out, and now we are going to just sort of go through some things and just pick out things that I want to sort of, obviously a majority I want to keep, but some things I want to put aside that I will be able to put up on my secondhand thrift shop to sell. So if you're in South Africa, please go check it out. The link will be in the description. And yeah, it's a great way for somebody else to find like new pieces. A lot of these things are obviously pre-loved or vintage, and also mostly pretty good quality as well, so it will all be up on there. And yeah, let's get into it. I'm gonna try and figure out how I'm going to film this. Everything on this side, I will probably insert clips, but everything on this side, this was supposed to be the section where it had things to do with my work clothes, but it's kind of a mishmash, and there isn't really much. It's all of the stuff that I wear and that I love. The only thing we have is this top, this really lovely top, sleeveless top from H&M, and I got this a few years back when I was in uni and I just loved it. Honestly, I would still be into wearing this, but it's a little tight on me now and I just don't want to like hoard things anymore. I feel like I could just easily get a new version of this. So yeah, I feel like this would be really great to sell. So we're definitely going to keep this, not keep this, we're definitely going to sell this. The rest of my cupboard here is pretty organized. Again, I will show clips, but I really love all of my tote bags, but we have one tote bag, this old tote bag. This was actually my first one from Cotton On, and you can tell like the difference in like quality with their newer ones. I feel like the quality gets better, and I don't really use this, and I feel like this could be a really nice accessory to have up on my shop to sell. So yeah, if anyone is interested, it will probably be very cheap, so maybe I could sort of sell this with something else together, just because trying to sell stuff that's very cheap, and then like the admin of having to, because the whole paxi process is, it's not a lot, but it's effort obviously. And I think we're gonna have to move to the next area of my closet. I'm not really sure how I'm gonna film it. I think I might have to put you on the bed. Okay, now we are in the main section of my closet. Hopefully you can hear me. I don't have a mic, so I'm gonna have to try to speak a little bit louder. But this is the closet. It's not arranged in any particular way, not by color, not by anything. So yeah, I have some really nice pieces. So first thing we have, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show this, but this old plaid, what would you call it? Pinafore type dress that I really love, but is basically really hard to wear and just makes me feel like a child kind of. But I had been going back and forth on whether to DIY this dress into something else. I was thinking about, I mean, just because I feel like this is probably one of my oldest pieces, and whilst it's in really good condition, I don't know about, I mean, I could sell it to be fair, but I just feel like who would buy this? I don't really know. I feel like if I were to at least DIY it into something new, recycle, is it called recycling? There's like a particular word. I think that even if I wasn't going to wear it, I think it would be easier to sell. So yeah, I'm thinking about that. I think plaid is, I've literally been wanting a midi skirt plaid skirt, so if I could make my own, that would be really cool. And then we have this coat from Woolworths, and this is one of my favorite things that I've ever bought, but it's really hard to wear. I basically wear it like once every like couple of years because I have been living in Durban for the last few years. When I bought it, I was in Cape Town, so it was much more useful in Cape Town, but even then I was in university. This just has a very, like, now it would work because I'm like out of university, I'm older and my style has evolved, but I think then it was like really hard to wear. But now that I actually can wear it and would want to wear it, it's too hot all the time, so I don't really know about the practicality of having something like this just for it to sit in my closet for years and years and years. Next piece I thrifted in Cape Town a year and a half ago, in late 2021. Yeah. I really love this. Again, same thing. I've been in Durban for the last few years. I do plan on moving back to Cape Town within the next few years. Let's just say that, but or Europe within the next few years, hopefully. But I feel like this would be great if I was in a really cold place, again, like Europe, or maybe even Cape Town in the dead of winter. But and on top of that, it's very oversized, which I loved at the time, but I don't know how I feel. Like, it's not a very convenient, like, everyday blazer, if that makes sense. So yeah, but I do love it. Okay, this piece is already on the shop. So if you're interested, definitely go check it out if it's not already sold. This is from Woolworths and I love this. Like, when I bought it, I was really into this type of print, this plaid print, and yeah, I just thought it was so cool, and it doesn't really align with my style currently, so yeah. So we are definitely styling this. This is a really old, what would you even call this, jersey? It's almost like vintage now at this point. We are selling this it's just difficult because I need to figure out how to take really nice pictures of this. Every time I've taken pictures of this, it just doesn't come out looking good. So it doesn't photograph very well, but in real life, it is a really nice cozy jersey. I feel like if you saw this at a secondhand shop, you would want to get this. So yeah, we just have to figure out how to photo shoot this, and then we'll put it on the store. Next two pieces, we have this old top which I really love. It's also from Woolworths. As you can probably tell, I'm a very big Woolworths girl. This just doesn't really fit me anymore, and I'm just like ready to like move on with it. And then this dress which I really love, but again, it doesn't really go with my current style. I love the flowers, but in terms of the way that the dress is like cut, like the actual style of the dress isn't very me. It's also from Woolworths, and it is so beautiful, and this I will also be selling as well. This dress is a really old dress that I pretty much just wear around the house, but I don't really wear it anymore, so we could definitely sell this as well. This should already be up on my shop. Not sure where it's from. I think Pick and Pay Clothing, I'm not sure, but yeah, I just love wearing this, and I just got so much wear out of it, and I'm ready to move on, so we are selling this. And then lastly, we have some shoes. They're another pair of shoes that I have, but they're not very clean per se. Like, I do have to give them a bit of a rub down. So maybe I'll insert a clip or a picture of them. But we also have these really old Chelsea boots. Yeah, I've just gotten so much wear out of them, and I already have another pair of chunky boots, and I'm probably gonna get another pair of boots this month, hopefully. So we don't really need this anymore. And yeah, I'm going to be selling these. And yeah, that is my closet clean out. I hope you enjoyed, and definitely let me know by giving this video a like and subscribing to my channel. Do check out my shop if you are in South Africa. It's a Jaeger store. So yeah, it's on an app, and I also have an Instagram for the store as well. So yeah, you can DM me or just shop on there. A lot of that stuff will probably be on there by the time this video comes out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!